Video is presented by Subi, lecturer from Emmanuel Arcer College of Pharmacy. Today we will see about limit test for chloride and iron. What is limit test? Every product must be clinically safe for the use of human or animal. Before formulation need to be verified that every compound or drug or solvent or must be pure or free from impurity. As we know, if impurity presence in product or drug leads to change physical chemical property, also change color, odor, taste, and also change therapeutic effect of drug and produce toxic effect. So purchasing a pure chemical or making free from impurities is expensive and a difficult process. Indian pharmacopea has provided certain limit of impurity is present in substance, so we can use it for manufacturing process. The limit of impurity is expressed in terms of ppm. Limit means amount present in substance. Test, investigation or examination. Impurity, foreign substance presence in compound. Limit test. Limit test is defined as quantitative or semi-quantitative test designed to identify and control small amount of impurities which is likely to be present in the substance. Limit test is generally carried out to determine the inorganic impurities present in the compound. Importance of limit test. To find out amount of harmful impurity, to find out permissible amount of impurity. Apparatus used for performing limit test. Nestless cylinder is used to performing limit test. Limit test for chloride. The chloride limit test is designed to determine the allowable limit of chloride contained in a sample. Principle. Limit test for chloride is based on the reaction between sodium chloride or chloride ion with the silver nitrate in the presence of dilute nitric acid to form silver chloride, which appears as opalescence in the solution. Sodium chloride react with the silver nitrate in the presence of dilute HNO3 to give silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Reagent used: dilute nitric acid, silver nitrate solution and standard sodium chloride solution. Procedure: test sample. Dissolve given sample in 10 ml of distilled water and transfer by solution in nasal cylinder and mark it as T. Add 10 ml of nitric acid, dilute to 50 ml in nasal cylinder, add 1 ml silver nitrate solution, stir properly and keep aside for 3 minutes. Observe the opalescence or turbidity. Next, prepare standard sample. Take 1 ml of 0.05845% weight by volume solution of sodium chloride in nasal cylinder and mark it as S. Add 10 ml of all nitric acid and dilute to it 50 ml in nasal cylinder. Add 1 ml silver nitrate solution, stir properly and keep aside for 3 minutes to observe the opalescence or turbidity. Reason: the aqueous solution will leach out all the chloride ions present in the sample and make them ready to react with the silver nitrate. Dilute nitric acid is added in the test of chloride to make solution acidic and help silver chloride precipitate to make solution turbid at the end of process. Equal volume of the solution is taken to compare the opalescence. The silver ions will react with chloride ions to form opalescence of silver chloride. Ag plus Cl is equal to silver chloride. Compare after 5 minutes. Conclusion: the opalescence produced in the sample solution should not be greater than standard solution. If opalescence produced in the sample solution is less than the standard solution, the sample will be post the limit test of chloride and vice versa. Opalescence means colorless or white or milky color. Turbidity means the quality of being cloudy. Principle: the limit test of iron is based on the reaction of iron ferrous in ammonical solution. In the presence of citric acid with thioglycolic acid gives purple color. The color produced by test solution is combined with the standard iron solution. The color developed only in presence of alkali. Ammonia to make solution alkaline. This is the reaction of limit test for iron. Thioglycolic acid in the presence of citric acid to give purple color. One is identified as test substance, other nuclear cylinder is identified as standard substance. Procedure. Test substance. Sample is dissolved in specific amount of water and then volume is made up to 40 ml. Add 2 ml of 20% weight by volume of citric acid. It is iron free. Add 2 drops of thioglycolic acid. Add ammonia to make the solution alkaline and adjust the volume to 50 ml. Keep aside for 5 minutes. Color developed in is viewed vertically and combined with the standard solution. Next, we will prepare standard substance. 2 ml of standard solution of iron diluted with water up to 40 ml. Add 2 ml of 20% weight by volume of citric acid. Add 2 drops of thioglycolic acid. Add ammonia to make the solution alkaline and adjust the volume to 50 ml. Keep aside for 5 minutes. Color developed is viewed vertical and combined with the test solution. Observation. The purple color produced in sample solution should not be greater than standard solution. If purple color produced in sample solution is less than the standard solution, the sample will pass the limit test of iron and vice versa. Means the intensity of color produced by sample is less than that of standard solution color, you pass the test. Today class is over. We will see next class. Thank you all.